Join us on a journey to witness the transformation of Saudi Arabia with cutting-edge automation engineering technology, robotics, and automation. Revolutionize efficiency. Watch our robotics streamline manufacturing, reduce production costs, and enhance product quality. Elevate your business with our automation solutions. Upskill your workforce. Discover how our tech-savvy engineers and technicians lead the way in meeting the growing demand for automation while boosting efficiency and innovation. Sustainable development. Explore our role in shaping smart cities and harnessing renewable energy while reducing carbon emissions and energy consumption. Healthcare advancements. Witness our precision robotics and automation elevating patient care, diagnostics, and telemedicine, improving healthcare accessibility for all. Ready for a future of progress and innovation? Leader Group is ready to help you lead the world in technological advancement with our automation engineering, technology, and robotics. The future is bright, and Leader Group is your guide to a prosperous tomorrow. Visit us at www.leadergroup.com or drop us an email at info@leadergroup.com.